everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Vina Andriyani and my student identification number is 15206250048 and I'm from Mechanical Engineering, Jakarta State University. I'm going to a presentation about efficiency and reliability, a case study on renewable energy integration. It's from the article journal. The title is The Integration of Renewable Energy Source into a Mechanical System, Focusing on Efficiency and Reliability, a case study written by Saidul Islam Khan, Zohar Al-Dudaif Abrarul Haq, and we're going to introduction. So, what are we talking about? We are diving into how well renewable energy technologies like solar and wind actually perform when you integrate them into industrial and engineering system. And I'm going to describe to you. They only generate when the sun shines and the wind blow. So this unstable and sporadic power generation is the single best operational challenge as it directly threatens a system ability to run reliably. So why does this matter right now? The world needs to shift away from fossil fuels. Concern about energy security, climate change, and pollution make sustainable energy source essential. And main goal of this article, the author aim to give engineers and decision makers practical insight on how to achieve successful and sustainable energy solutions in mechanical projects. Okay, so what is mechanical system? Defining of mechanical system, think of this as the backbone of our infrastructure, the machines, equipment, and structure that use physical science principles to do work. They keep everything running from factories and transport. And we're next to the main types we cover. First, power generation system. This turn energy source like coal, gas, and solar into usable electricity. That means everything from generators to the power grid itself. Second, HVAC system, the system that keep us comfortable indoors, heating, cooling, and air quality control for home and office. And the third, transportation system, all the networks for moving people and goods, including cars, trucks, trains, and ships. And fourth, water and wastewater system, the essential facilities that manage our clean water supply. Next, we are going to talk about types of renewable energy explained. Okay, the first, solar power, and it converts sunshine into electricity or PV panels or use it for heating process. It's called solar thermal and can power HVAC units, industrial machines, and water pumping system. The second is wind energy. Turbines capture the wind kinetic energy and turn it into electricity. It often used to of grid application, industrial machinery, and pumping water. And the third, it's hydroelectric power. Sorry, hydroelectric power harnesses the energy of flowing water using turbines and generator. It's good for grid connection and power plants and industrial gear. And the fourth, biomass energy. It turns organic materials like waste and wood into biofuel or biogas through processes like combustion, and biofuel can be used to run combustion engines in car or industrial machines. And the fifth, geothermal energy, it taps into the heat stored beneath the earth's surface for power, heating, and or cooling. Geothermal heat pumps are excellent for building heating and cooling. And the sixth, ocean energy, it converts energy from tides, wave, and current, or using in specially equipment like tidal turbines and wave energy converters. Now we are talk about key benefit of integration. First is reduce sorry. The first is reduce environmental impact. The benefit will drastically cut greenhouse gas emission and population. This is a huge win for the planet. And why it matters? This is arguably the most critical issue globally. Addressing climate change has long-term positive consequences for every single person. Second, energy efficiency. It's a benefit. The benefit is renewables often operate more efficiently than traditional system. It's meaning less waste and lower energy consumption. And why it matters? At higher efficiency means big cost saving over time. It keys to making these projects finally smart and sustainable. And the third, energy independence and security. The benefit is we become less reliant on imported fossil fuels, and our system can even operate without the central power grid. And why it matters? The bus is the bus our energy autonomy and makes communities and business much more resilient when a disruption happens. And we're going to talk about major challenge and obstacles. First, sorry. First, intermittency and variability, the most impactful. But the issue, wine and sun aren't always available. This unstable supply is the biggest operational hurdle because it directly threatens the system ability to run reliably. Okay, why is it? If the supply is unreliable, the entire mechanical system can fail or destabilize the grid. Second, energy storage. The issue, we need robust storage solution like batteries to fix the intermittency problems, but storage is expensive and adds complexity to the system design. Why is it? Storage costs are often the main thing holding back the economic viability of a project. Third, it's a cost and economy. The issue, while great long term, the initial investment, like upfront cost for renewable infrastructure is substantial. Why is it? This can often be managed through good planning and policy, but it's a hug barrier for getting project start. Um, Now it's discussion and conclusion. Key findings on efficiency. To get the best efficiency, you can just bolt on solar panels. You need to careful system design, smart component selection, and optimize layout to maximize energy capture and minimize losses. Next, the key findings on reliability. Reliability is challenges by fluctuations and sporadic power generation. The solution involves robust design, use backup, measure or redundancy, and implementing predictive maintenance technique. Why efficiency and reliability are so crucial? As efficiency ensure we get the most power with the least waste. Reliability is non-negotiable. It keeps things running smoothly and prevent costly downtime. The overall conclusion is integrating renewables has huge potential for lowering emissions and boosting energy security to success. To success. We need to commit on to going ongoing research, innovation, and serious cooperation across all sectors. Now it's critical reflection. It's have three keys takeaway from the articles. First is geothermal is a powerhouse. Second is PV panels need works, and third is hybrid system are essential. Two and I'm going to show you the two surprising or interesting points. The first is the policy problem, and the second is solar thermal big impact. Okay, one question I still have. Considering the major upfront cost of energy storage, What are the best financial of regulatory mechanism we can use to make this integration affordable and feasible for smaller business that need mechanical system? Okay, thank you.